This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include XM satellite radio, an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, side curtain airbags, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, privacy glass, dusk sensing headlights, front fog lights, and air conditioning. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Bay State Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 703 Washington Street in Easton.